Hi YouTube, it's her Sneeze and I'm back with another video. So today, we're just doing what we normally do. We getting some content out and we're sneezing. So get ready for that. Like I always say, my email is sneezegirl111@gmail.com. So if you want a personalized video, they usually start around $30 and go up from there. So if you want one of those, hit me up through there. That's where I will get you. Or if you want a personalized video call, it is $150 and it's 20 minutes where I casually sneeze and we have a good conversation. Not talking about anything too personally. That would be like inappropriate, like asking me where I live and stuff like that, like nothing like that, but like just having a good conversation while a couple sneezes come out. Yeah, you can get into that. But today I did my makeup look just for this video and I'm gonna mess my makeup right up. The life of a YouTuber. And guys, run those views all the way up. We are so close to hitting monetization. Like, we're there. Let's say we there. Like, guys, run the videos up. Like, watch the videos all the way through. Don't be skipping. If you really love me and support me, you would not skip. And yeah, let's get into it. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna change this video around a little bit. We gonna see how long I can hold a sneeze in. So we gonna try that. Okay. It didn't last long. I got what you mean. Did it just lag? All right, I love you guys so much. I know this was really short, but I just needed to get some content out there for you guys. So I love you so much and have a great day. I am so rude. Where are my manners? Bye.